guys, I'm Grandy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. Today I'm filming a vlog because it's going to be a cute day. I'm shooting some content later on with my sister for an amazing brand. We love working with this brand and they're amazing to us. And we're also going to be attending a premiere screening of a new TV show that's coming out. I'm really excited because the TV show is based on a book and the book is called Noughts and Crosses. Oh, I used to love that book growing up, so I think it's gonna be very cool. My flowers are in shot but they're quite cute, so I'll leave them there. So I'm just gonna get dressed and get out that door. I need to pack 2 outfits because one outfit we're going to be filming, taking pictures in, and the next outfit is what I'm gonna actually wear to the premiere. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so I thought I'd update you about the joys of working with your sister and working with your family. Grat literally called me after I'd left my house and said, oh, the clothes are supposed to shoot. I opened the package and there was no clothes in it, just shoes. So that basically meant we couldn't shoot anymore. But if I would have known in advance, I would have worn something else to shoot. I mean, they say working with family can be fun, but it can also be very annoying because it's just very unprofessional. Do you know what I mean, babe? But yeah. So I'm now met up with Gratz. We love coming to this super luxe bathroom. Look how pretty it is. It's in like a really nice shopping center where we are. This lighting, coming through lighting. Yeah, so I'm just shooting Gratz right now. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, I'm paying right now.
Yeah, she's not feeling very well, bless her heart. But yeah, she's still working, you know. That's what hustlers do. So just met this cutie, Chantal. She just joined us and she's about to straighten.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
She bought straighteners. Yeah, dedicated queen. We love it. We love it. I'm gonna insert all the pics that we got today. Cute, right? Now we're gonna head to the screening. It should be fun, and I really hope there's food because I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. This is what we're here for. So I've located the food. I'm very happy. We're sat here waiting for the film to, well, not film, we're waiting for the series to start because it's not a film. It's like, how many parts is it? Like 6 parts. 6 part. Here with Gorge, Gratz, hey, Esther,
Nah, guys, let me wait. This, yeah.
wow, Buddy, come and see
Nah, these
Buddy.
glasses make me look like a secretary.
Yeah, good job.
Hey guys, we're back home now at Gratz's place. She's gonna cook us at dinner. She literally finessed me into buying her grocery shop. I was like, hey, let's go to let's go to get some food or something because I'm hungry. And she said, oh, instead of doing that, why don't you guys just pay for me to do a food shop? And then that's the same money you would have spent.
Less money.
Less money than you would have spent. And I was like, okay. So me and Gorgeous literally paid for her food shop.
We love to hear it. So,
But yeah, my makeup is still looking cute. It's a bit oily because I'm an oily queen. Oh, Noughts and Crosses was so amazing. It comes out in March. The way that they adapted it was like so cool. It's literally like a Romeo and Juliet love story. But the way that it was like flipped on its head was so crazy. Like seeing the black people just being rich and affluent and like killing it, and then the white people were just being like the poor and like being underprivileged. It was insane. It was like my mind couldn't really compute it. I don't know, like when I was in there, I just felt like, wow, like is this history in the making? Like, because I've never seen anything like this. Like the fact that Mallory Blackman was able to like think of that from like nothing is just so cool. But yeah, if you guys have read the books or if you guys have seen it, let me know. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. Can't wait to see Stormzy in as well because he's also in the series, so that's gonna be cool. But yeah, I think I'm gonna continue this vlog for the rest of the week, so see you. Good morning. It's not morning, but okay. So today is kind of like, you know, full-on work day. We're gonna film a video for my channel. Me and my sis are gonna film us doing our makeup but trying to speak Swahili the whole time, so that is gonna be hilarious. Stay tuned for that. The video is probably gonna already be up by the time that this comes out, so I'll link that video in the description so you guys can check that out because I know it's gonna be hilarious. Our Swahili is not, that's Scratch by the way, she's just running around the house. Yeah, so we're gonna film that video, then we're gonna go to town and shoot pictures. I've got 3 outfits to shoot today. One is our sponsored sister content, and the brand that we're working with is River Island. We love working with them. We love River Island. We love working with them, so we're gonna shoot that today. When we shoot as well, it's like a family affair, so our brother is also gonna come join us and take the pictures for us. So you gotta keep it in the family, you know, you gotta keep it in the fam. Just finished the video. We're beat now, and the video was very, very fun. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm wearing this. Yeah, so I even have this. That's how much of a Tanzanian I am. Wow, oh my gosh. But yeah, so we finished recording. Now we're going to go to town and take pictures. Our photographer has arrived. Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself. Okay, introduce yourself.
He's not very sociable today, but that's okay because he takes good pictures. That's what we need him for. So now we're gonna get changed into our first look, which is gonna be our River Island look, right? And then we're gonna get the show on the road, and I'll take you with me.
Hit the road, Jack,
and never come back no more, no more, no more. So we're ready now. Look how cute we look.
So cute.
Oh my gosh. So we're at River Island right now. We're showing that it's their spring collection. We're showing that. I actually really like it. I really want to wear this. Like, where should I wear it to? Anyway, today we're just shooting it, so we're gonna go out into the cold streets to shoot this lovely spring content. But yeah, it's really cute. So I started the screenshot with this pink vibe, and she's also wearing pink. So we'll show you guys the finished pictures. Sometimes the most annoying thing about shooting is finding the spot. So we've been walking around now for a few minutes, just trying to find like a nice background, and I think we got one. Let me show you guys. What we do is we usually test shoot. So my sister is taking a pic of Gracious. Did it work? Imagine you're in a hot country in Singapore. Look at her with her legs out in this cold weather. I'm just joking. I'm about to do the same. And I came into Starbucks to get some warmth because when I say we're freezing, like actually freezing. But we got the shot, so that's bad. Guys, look at how we were dressed and look at how everyone outside is dressed. They're wearing winter coats, and then we're doing up spring babes. Ooh, I think that one was nice. The glamorous life of an influencer. I'm now changing in the Starbucks bathroom. Not glam in the slightest. Hey guys, I'm all changed now into my second look. I'm wearing these sick boots, and there's my suitcase on the floor. The ghetto. So yeah, I'm gonna go and shoot this look now. It's gonna be cold, but we kind of do, honey. So hey guys, we're in the O2 store now because there's something wrong with my iPhone. Snapchat. So yeah, I'm going to try and do this activity while we wait. What a shame, mate. Hey guys, back at home now. The lashes had to come off because they were annoying me. I hate being indoors and having like a lot of makeup on. It makes me feel a bit like makes me want to be sick. so I had to take them off. So yeah, I'm back at home, but the grind doesn't stop, sis. I still have to film some more content. I'm just doing some stories now for River Island. I'm just talking through some amazing looks that I got from them. Oh guys, oh this suit, oh it's amazing. Let me show you guys. So this is the first look. I mean, what? Sorry, what? So I'm trying to go to a business meeting. Like, I feel like if I went to a business meeting like this, they would just give me the job. They wouldn't even interview me. They would just be like, okay, cool, the job is yours. I bet. Like, I'll just walk in and they'd be like, oh, wow, okay, the job is yours. No, literally, I love this suit. It's so sick. So yeah, I just filmed the stories, the outfit talk through. That was really fun actually, because I love like getting my personality across more on Instagram, because I don't know, I feel like sometimes my personality is lost. Like, just, you know what I mean? You can't really express yourself too much through a little caption. And most of my captions, like, it's hard work to think of captions, guys. Sometimes I'll be messaging my friends. To be honest, guys, some of my captions, I actually have ghostwriters. Because I'll be messaging my friends and I'll be like, sis, like, what do I caption this pic? Like, I have to shout out one particular girl in my life, and that is Esther Famirewa, sis. Otherwise known as Esther Fams, otherwise known as the Plantain Lover. No, guys, this girl, she is the caption queen. Like, queen. No, okay, I'll even give you an example. I put up this pic, and then this pic basically like did bits because of her caption. I was like, oh my god, what do I caption this pic? What do I caption this pic? And then she was like, just because I'm wearing zebra print doesn't mean you can cross me. And I was like, no, I was gassed. And then everyone in the comments, so that I put that as my caption for the pic, and then everyone in the comments was like, oh my gosh, yeah, haha, you're lit. Oh my gosh, when you drop in the next bars, yeah, haha, it's lit. And I was like, it wasn't me. But I'm gonna take the credit though. But no, shout out my girl Esther. Yeah, she's doing her thing on social media too, so check her out. Yes. But yeah, I think we've come to the end of the vlog. Let me go and show you guys the food that's being cooked up in the kitchen. This is where we're eating. Nice little feast. Ooh la la. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed, you know, getting a bit of behind the scenes of what goes down in the life of a blogger. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, like if you enjoyed it, all of that good stuff. Peace and love. Mwah.